do it.
What are you doing?
Eating.
What is it?
Wow, look how clear that is.
I know, it's a lot better than
I was asking first.
What's that?
There's 4 snaps in there.
This dude is barking.
If you get all 4, you get 50? There's 5 snaps. But the Raphael get no. Man, I'm not gonna get the star. I know about last place. You can get the golden card too. Wait.
Yay!
Looks delicious.
Flipping it over.
That's not
And that's it.
Oh.
But mine is specifically on it.
Oh.
You're supposed to be resting. What the heck?
How much am I getting paid?
In cake.
In cake! Yes! No one ever pays me in cake. Oh, I'm gonna remember. I'm not that drunk. I'm just trying to be chill. I am chill.
Yeah, it was.
Good.
I was on the same thing.
Like, this is waking me up. Wee.
That might be good enough for the cream.
Oh, go up. The other way. Yeah. Give me all my stars.
Is it a strawberry cake? Is it a blueberry cake?
It's an everything cake.
You don't know.
I must not. Might become an alcoholic, you never know.
Let's go. I need another one.
It's only part time.
It's just me. I'm by myself.
It's only weekend alcoholic. Okay.
It's only when I'm around, honestly.
Don't drink alcohol. What the?
Damn bottle right there.
Butter, don't drink alcohol.
He's like,
He didn't, okay, guys? He didn't. It was the adults.
All I buy.
I liked it.
No, it needs to be more. You know.
You guys like that slushes type of moist?
Yeah.
Almost threw up.
But it's not just is super moist.
Super moist. I love that.
Too moist. So if you don't want, if you don't want a tres leches. Oh, oh.
We're forced.
So the first one, Christy, open your crying baby.
Thank you.